Oh, wig. Did my wig look like this? Yeah, so look at this bag. They be making me want to crash out. Crash out, crash out. So I came to the mall to get my angel tree gifts. I came to look for shoes though, so we're gonna see if we can find some kid shoes. Let's see. Yeah, so look at this bag. So cute. I'm starting to like all Saint. It's $129, not bad. For a tote. I am leaving. Oh, I'm leaving them all. Oh, wig. Did my wig look like this? Yes. Okay, so I have left them all. And they had nothing that I needed. I was going in to see if they had like tennis shoes for the kids that I got for Angel Tree. They didn't have it. Oh, y'all. I might have to do something to this. Yeah, so they didn't have anything in the mall. I have to probably go to another store and find some stuff. There's a TJ Maxx that's across the street. So I might go to TJ Maxx to see if they have like shoes for kids, because one of them wants tennis shoes and the other one wants, it just says shoes. Well, they both need shoes, so I'm just gonna buy like tennis shoes. Like one needs tennis shoes, but I think I might buy like some boots or something, like some UGG boots for the other one, because it's a girl. And my sister was like, well, I was like, well, Crocs, because you know all kids want Crocs or whatever. But I was like, what if I just get her some boots? I could just get her some boots. So I'm gonna get her some boots. And then one of them wants like arts and craftsy type stuff, so I probably can find that in TJ Maxx. And then the other one wants like walkie-talkies. He really wants walkie-talkies. So I think I might just buy a pair of like a walkie-talkie. So they give you like clothes sizes and all that type of stuff. I'm not fit to do all that. I'm not fit to get no clothes. I'm gonna get what they really need. They said they need shoes, so maybe I can get them 2 pairs of shoes and then a toy, you know. So I'm gonna go and look for that. TJ Maxx is across the street, so I'm about to go to TJ Maxx and see what they have there. I made it to I actually went to Marshall's because Marshall's is across the street. That's what I was looking at. Marshall's is across the street and Rec Room is over here. So I'm gonna go in Rec Room, see if I can find a shoe. I have a consult call with a therapist in like 10 minutes. So I said I was just gonna wait. I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna sit in here and wait for a little bit. And then I got my eye doctor appointment at 5:20. So I'm gonna leave there. I'm gonna try to get something that night, and then I'm really trying to debate, do I want to go back to this mall tonight? Or because by the time I leave here, I need to be headed to my eye doctor appointment. So it's like, do I want to double back? Probably not. I'm just going to, after I leave my eye doctor appointment, because what I'm going to do, if I get there early, I'm going to stop in the HEB, go ahead and get my sushi, so I can go straight home after my appointment. Or, really, I don't know how long I'm going to be in my appointment. So, yeah, but I'll be over there where the sushi is, so I can get my sushi and go home. Okay, y'all, I just left LensCrafter. I got 2 new pair of glasses. One of them is a pair that I had. It was the Gucci pair. And then I just got me another pair, like a black pair. I want to go to this Sunglass Hut. Low key, I'm thinking about just ordering. But I do want to try on some sunglasses. Let me see. Let me show y'all what it look like out here. Yeah, I like these. They kind of remind me, yes, for vlogging. But they have more of the plastic frame around it. But I like these. I think these will be good for every day though. Yes. Yeah. Yep, 94. Oh, look at us, birthday twins. Okay, so I'm in HEB. This is the sushi combo that I usually like to get. It's called the South Texas. I don't know. I'm thinking about. No, it's the Texas Trio. The Texas Trio. This one looks old though. Like that. Oh, this one might be okay. This one might be okay. Nice, so I'm like, what else could I get? Let's see if they got over here. Should I get this and another sushi? Let's do it. Let's do it. This is cooked. This is cooked. So I got the Loco and the Texas Trio. So let's get in the line. Hey y'all, so I just made it home. I am outside in the backyard with my dogs. I don't want to be out here long, but also they've been locked up all day. This is why I really need them. Because Aiden has to be locked up. Like, Aiden has to be locked up because he gets into stuff. Like, he gets into stuff. And I don't know if I can train him. Like, I don't know. There it is. I don't know if I can train him. I don't really know. But, so I'm just giving them some time to be outside. Give them some time to chill, run around. Then going in the house. It is cold out here. Okay, y'all. So, let me see. I want to show y'all what I got. So, grocery haul first. I got I wanted sushi tonight. But I like the HEB sushi because it's just cheaper and it's actually good. So, I forgot to get, I think I grabbed some extras. Chopsticks. I got the Loco roll. This is actually pretty good. I've had this one before, and I've had the trio, the Texas trio. Yeah, I'm a huge sushi eater. So today I actually fasted, so I have not had anything, and so the calorie intake for this would be 1,200, which would that's crazy, Morgan. That is crazy. That's crazy. 1,200 in one meal. Crazy. But 1,200. I'm probably not gonna eat it all. We'll see. I have not ate. So next thing, I went to Sunglass Hut. And I got me some new sunglasses because y'all, I lost my Burberry sunglasses. I had not worn them maybe like 2 or 3 times. I have not, like, they were like brand new. Them things is gone. Like, I don't know where they at. I went out of town. I went to Colorado. Can't find them. They probably on somebody face in Colorado because I probably left them somewhere. I can't remember. I don't know. So, got some the lady told me these are the new collection Chanel's. I was thinking it would tell me in here. But it don't tell me nothing in here. Yeah, but this just a little small book that it came with. And what's this? This is my receipt. Okay, and these are the sunglasses, guys. They are cute. Giving it girl. It girl. I like these. I really like these. So yeah. Very cute. Very classy. I am excited to replace my other black sunglasses with these. So yeah. And then I got a package. So let's unbox this. Yo, this is from Nordstrom. I bought some stuff for Black Friday. So I bought an Austin shirt. An Austin shirt for Black Friday because I wanted to have like more lounge, quality loungewear. And so I looked at it before Black Friday. I said, I'm going to wait and see if they go on sale. And they did. They were like $30 off. So I got this one. I'll say on the front, on the back, it's like, I'll say like that. And I was like, I could wear this like with biker shorts or like jeans or something. Hey, drop my shoe. Wear it with like, you know, jean shorts or something. Just something cute, you know. Just chill. Like, even I could wear that with a trench and some sweatpants. And look put together, you know. I'm trying to look more put together. Oh, yes. This is the Fleur Vanilla Skin. Oh, y'all. I'm about to smell like edible. I'm so excited. This was on sale. My sister had it, and I'm like, okay, I want this. It is. I feel like this is a good, like, a trench sweat with my Gucci slides and my Gucci headband. Fire. And some Loewe sunglasses. Or my tinted Amazon sunglasses. Fire. Like, like, going from 0 to 10 real quick. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I think I am about to end the vlog here because I'm about to edit tonight. I'm about to edit. I really need to edit. I really need to edit. If I'm gonna be on this journey, I was thinking about like all this stuff, and I'm like, this week was kind of like a reset week for me. So next week I have to really hit it hard. Hey, you got toys over here. They be making me want to crash out. Crash out. I'm just trying to. I guess this week I was just trying to get my groove, trying to get everything together. So now that I've planned my content, I kind of know my groove of recording. I make sure I pick up my camera because I want to be consistent with just picking up my camera when I go places, just picking it up. So I've been consistent with that. Now it's like Instagram, shooting Instagram content. Like, I see why it's a full-time job, but I was like, what if because I came up with this thought. Like, I'm just like, I think I just solely want to work for myself. Like, I want to work essentially. Like, I want to do the things that I love to, go have a job, like, but the job that gives me flexibility, and that's full-time entrepreneurship. And although I run my own company, I also work in my company. So it's like, okay, what is a way that I can work in my company and also do what I love? And it's content. So, or it's going virtual next school year. So that is the plan for next school year. I'll have some more updates about that. But I'm about to end this vlog, y'all. I think this was a really eventful day. I had a lot of stuff going on. I did a lot of stuff today. So y'all will see this. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Tomorrow is going to be the bomb because we're going to the gala. So that's going to be a fun field day too. So I think that this Vlogmas is going to be kind of lit. Like, I don't know if the week is going to be lit because I really don't be doing nothing during the week. But it's going to be lit. It's going to be lit. It's going to be lit. So I will see y'all in the next vlog. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to be a part of this girl gang over here. You know what I'm saying? We get down over here. We get down over here. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what other content you would like to see. And I will see y'all later.